Good afternoon everybody and welcome to a Walmart holiday baking grocery haul. Now the holidays are almost here and I have a lot of cooking and baking to do the next days and weeks, and I want to show you my Walmart holiday baking grocery haul. Okay, let's start right over here. I bought 4 things of flour in total, and this is my favorite brand that I like to use all the time for cooking and baking. 2 things of eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things of unsalted butter. I also love to use this brand, is really good. I bought 2 things of sugar. Typically I buy the Great Value brand, but there was only one left, so I bought this one just in case. Here I have a Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal and a Dunkin' Caramel Macchiato cereal. 2 things of Oreos, and I have a lot of ideas what we can do with these Oreos. 2 things of marshmallows, mini ones and the normal ones. 2 things of cupcake liners, baking powder. 2 things of biscuits. 3 things of active dry yeast. Over here I have some chocolate sprinkles. I also bought some coconut flakes. I only could find the sweetened ones. There was no unsweetened one left, so yeah, that's one that I got. Here I have 4 things of vanilla pudding, 2 things of mini M&Ms, and I bought a lot of chocolate. I have the dark chocolate, the semi-sweet chocolate, 2 things of white chocolate, a milk chocolate, and I also bought these thumbprint drops. I never used them before, but I have a lot of ideas what we can do with these ones. So let's see how they turn out. 2 things of these sugar cones, also a lot of ideas for these ones. Right over here I bought 2 things of Coco Lopez coconut cream, 2 things of sweetened condensed milk, 1 thing of unflavored gelatine, and over here I bought 4 things of raspberry whips, 4 things of key lime pie whips, and 4 things of strawberry whips. And in this corner I also bought some Quaker oats. Alright, that's it for today's Walmart holiday baking grocery haul. If you would, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Now I have a lot of baking to do now, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye!